Every morning, millions of people rely on their iPhone alarms to rouse them from slumber. Imagine the shock then, when your trusted device, your morning savior, fails to sound, leaving you in a state of panic and tardiness. This isn't a hypothetical scenario, but a real issue that numerous iPhone users are grappling with today. A bug has crept into the heart of Apple's iOS, causing some iPhone alarms to go silent. Apple, aware of the issue, is actively working to squash this bug, but the exact cause remains elusive. This has led to missed wake-up calls, botched schedules, and a flood of complaints from disgruntled users. The problem seems indiscriminate, affecting an unknown number of users and various iPhone models. It's a silent menace, creeping in unnoticed until it's too late. While Apple scrambles to locate the root of the problem, users are left navigating this unexpected hiccup on their own. Speculation is rife about what's causing this. Some point the finger at Apple's attention-aware features, suggesting they might be inadvertently muting alarms. These features, designed to make your iPhone more intuitive, could be the culprits behind this vexing issue. In the meantime, Apple is suggesting users double-check their alarm settings and volume, a small reassurance in the face of a larger problem. However, with no definitive workaround available yet, some users may need to revert to traditional alarm clocks. A step back in time perhaps, but a reliable one, with similar problems surfacing in the past. Each time, Apple has risen to the challenge, releasing updates to address them. As we speak, the tech giant is hard at work, seeking a quick resolution to this current alarm debacle. In summary, a software issue is causing some iPhone alarms to fail, leading to a chorus of missed wake-up calls. Apple, aware of the problem, is working tirelessly to find a fix. Until then, users are advised to double-check their alarm settings and volume, and perhaps keep a traditional alarm clock on standby. Remember, technology is a marvel, but sometimes even the most sophisticated systems can stumble. As we await Apple's solution, it's a timely reminder of the importance of having a backup plan. In this case, an old-school alarm clock might just save the day.